Hello los Papitos y Papitas, welcome to Papi Kitchen. My name is Nico. I'm going to invite you to travel through my cooking universe. Here we go guys. Today we're gonna make a special recipe, salmon, avocado, mango tartar. And guys, I will show you my little technique to cut the garlic. It's more easy and more simple to cut in little slice. Voila guys, you put this on the side. And we'll cut the cilentro. Really small. Then you cut the little onion, little slice, really small guys, really small. Voila. You put on the side. You cut the mango in little cube, not too small, not too big. Like this. You put on the side. We cut the avocado, still in cube, like the mango. We'll try to do the same size. Be careful to your finger. You put on the side. And now, guys, you cut the salmon. And you use the same technique. Little by little. You see, little cube. Voila. You put on the side, then you put all the ingredients in the same bowl. Avocado, the salmon, the cilentro and the little onion, the lime, a little bit of salt, the pepper, and for finish you put a little bit of olive oil. And when it's done, you have to make a beautiful plate, and that's it. Et voila! And you can also find this knife on papikitchen.com. Do you want to make Papi happy? Don't forget to subscribe, or even you can make a bloopers.
Oh, Papi, it's ready.